I'll show you guys some of these saws here. Thought they were kind of neat. When we bought our camp, all of these were inside of the camp. That just says warranted Superior. This one says like Diston USA. This one kind of looks like a cheapie. Plastic handle. These other ones are wood. But this one also has a little... Same thing, I think. Yeah, warranted Superior. Ornateness in the... And then here's this one. Doesn't say anything on the handle. It also came with this big guy right here. Yeah, figured I'd show you.